Let's dive into TikTok's advertising platform today. It's a vibrant space where brands can connect with their audience in unique and engaging ways. So first off, let me introduce you to the basics of how TikTok ads work. TikTok offers various ad formats like video ads, sponsored challenges, branded effects, and more. Each format serves different purposes and helps advertisers reach specific goals. For instance, video ads can showcase products directly or tell a story that resonates with your target audience. Now, let's talk about targeting options. TikTok's platform allows you to tailor your ads based on demographics like age, location, interests, and even behavior patterns. This means you can really hone in on the perfect audience for your product or service. Another cool feature is the ability to use hashtags and trending topics to boost visibility. By aligning your ad with what's currently popular, you increase the chances of reaching a larger, more engaged audience. But it's not just about reaching them, it's about engaging them too. TikTok ads often incorporate interactive elements like polls or quizzes, which can make for some really fun and memorable campaigns. Now let's look at how to measure success. With tools like in-app analytics and conversion tracking, you can monitor key metrics such as engagement rates, click-through rates, and ROI. These insights help refine your strategy over time. Lastly, it's important to stay updated with TikTok's evolving platform features and trends. Regularly reviewing these changes ensures that your advertising efforts remain effective and innovative. So there you have it. From understanding ad formats and targeting options to measuring success through analytics, we've covered the essentials of TikTok's advertising platform.